Hello again, traders. Doing Trader once again, your swing trading master. Here to show you another video analysis of a recent trade that was done on the currency market. This time, 4-hour chart of the Swiss franc Japanese yen. Now here you can see that the market recently hit this trading target and provided me with this trading gain, which was equivalent to a 9% rate of return within 28 hours. So this was a signal that was traded yesterday with this bullish engulfing candlestick formation that was expected to break above this counter trend line. And as you can see here, after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 4-hour candles, the target was finally hit. Now, basically, what was taking place was that the market was breaking out of this consolidation channel, downward consolidation channel. And the expectation was that this bullish movement was going to continue and provide traders with a trading gain. So, as you will see from the trading manual, this was an example of how we identify and trade breakouts that are taking place when consolidation channels are formed. So generally speaking, we should know how to identify consolidation setups in general, as well as the different types of consolidation patterns. So we can have the normal sideways consolidation patterns that lead to the formation of pennants, as well as these types of setups that lead to the formation of consolidation channels. So this was an example of this breakout taking place from this type of consolidation setup, and supporting this bullish movement was not only the breakout from this consolidation channel as well as this bullish engulfing candlestick formation, but also the general bullish direction of the daily chart. As you will recall from the trading manual, one of the things that I encourage persons to do, or one of the things that I prefer to do, is to trade any movement that is taking place in the direction of the main trend direction. So this is what I would do. As you will see here, this is the main guide that helps me to determine my trades and my market direction and the market direction, where what I do is to identify the main trend direction on the daily chart and trade movements and signals that are in sync with that movement. So scrolling to page 31 here, this basically shows that once an uptrend has been identified, I would trade all the movements that are in sync with that market direction. So I would ignore all of the movements that are taking place against the trend, which, well, some persons tend to trade and want to trade these movements that are taking place against the trend. But my preference is to trade all the movements that are taking place in the direction of the main trend, because those movements and signals provide a much higher probability of providing you with a trading gain. So this is the main guide in terms of determining our trade direction. Daily chart provide that direction with this movement, breaking above this downtrend line and providing us with this bullish engulfing candlestick formation that was indicating the continuation of this general movement. So in the full video analysis, I'm going to be going into detail in terms of the nature of this signal on the daily chart, the setups and signals on the 4-hour chart, as well as the stop loss on the 1-hour chart that provided me with the area to protect the trade. So all of these things will be discussed in full detail in the full video that will explain all the technical aspects of this trade and how we can master these technical aspects to be able to identify and profit from similar movements. So until next time, traders, happy trading.